Good day everyone, this is Donald from Food is Life Recipes. I'm here to teach you how to make Nigerian jollof rice. On a medium heat, put your meat in a pot, add your chopped onions, salt, seasoning, garlic and ginger powder and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add a cup of water to the meat and stir. Cook for another 5 minutes and set aside. In a bowl of water, add your raw rice and wash it very well and several times until water is colorless. Drain the rice and set aside. In a pot, add your oil, chopped onions and tomato paste. And fry for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Add your tomato and pepper blend. Add your curry and thyme, salt, ginger and garlic and seasoning and stir. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add your washed rice and stir. Add your meat stock. Add little water. Stir the top a little and add your bay leaves. Cover with foil. And cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a low heat. Now our jollof rice is ready. Serve with any meat of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.